Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to change language on WhatsApp PC. So let's get started. So if you want to change your language on WhatsApp PC, so to do that what you can do is first of all open up your WhatsApp. So just search for WhatsApp in your search bar, and after opening up your WhatsApp, now what you can do is just tap on the gear icon which is on the bottom left corner of your screen. And after tapping on your gear icon, now inside your general you will find this option which is language. So inside your language here you can see the default language. So now you can change to any language that you like. So for example, I want to change my WhatsApp to Japanese language. So what I'll do is just tap on it and then tap on OK and then restart my WhatsApp. And after restarting my WhatsApp here you can see guys my language has been successfully changed. So that's it guys, this is how to change language on WhatsApp PC. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.